Okay, you record. Okay, now, first of all, okay, I forgot to tell you, right? Okay, I wanted to basically to paint according to this line. All right, how to work on that? Okay, take a look here, right? Okay, how it actually works. I will start from this line. Okay, control. See the way I move my hands. Remember what I said, okay? Learn to control your lines. Right, this is what basically we want to have. If basically these drawings were not going to be looks, the colors almost the same, we're not actually focused on the natural colors, it's okay. Do you have any dirty cloth? Dirty cloth?
No.
You don't bring it? Okay. I will color this part, right? Okay. I will paint this part at first. See how I actually move my hands there. Okay, good. Too much water is there, right? Too much water there, right? Okay, see, right? Put the brush and then paint. Okay, too much water is over here, but it's okay. You see? There. Then this one, right? This is how we paint. Okay? I mix them up there, guys, okay? See? Mix them up there, right? Yeah. See? Not like this. Huh? Okay. Move, okay, your line, okay, your shapes. Get into the structures there. That's basically what we want to learn, okay? To control. See? Put that like that. Yeah, make it a lot of water, so a bit there, right? Huh? Same goes to this one there, right? I think I missed out one of the areas over there. Yeah. The point is right now, control. Okay? Learn basically to control those brushes there, okay? And paints. See? Yeah. That's what we want to learn there, right? Okay? Remember, okay, in my subjects, okay, in my kind of lessons, I never basically focus too much on how perfect we actually can apply, okay, on our exercise over here. The technique first has to be improved at first. See? Not like this, huh? Not like that. You put those brush over here and then move. Learn how to work on that. Okay? Train your hands at first. As I mentioned to you guys, if those grasses that you try to paint were not basically as exactly, it's okay. A lot of people have to render the whole things, but for me, okay, check a look here. See how I actually mix them out, all right, huh? Very simple kind of exercise. Okay, to work on it. All right, put it right here. Okay. Normally, how you paint? You're going to be like this, right? All right. That's not the right way to control the brushes there, especially watercolor. Using this brush, not flat brushes there, right? First, Okay, it works. So if I want to draw more, okay, see, practice more. See, I can. If you're using a small spacer, and I draw the line, see? Right. Draw the line, right? See? You say it's quite hard to paint, right? But the techniques must come first. The techniques there, get you paint. That's basically the most important thing when you plan to work on that. Okay. So you want to make some design. Okay, for example here. Can. Okay, we actually illustration, right? Subjects. We want to create some design elements. One of it, drip and splatter, right? Okay, it works. Okay, that's basically one of those techniques that we can use to work. All right, I want to